Want to know the one mistake that's killing your email list growth? I made it too, until I found the strategy that skyrocketed me to 48,000 subscribers. In this video, I'll reveal that one mistake and explain exactly how you can start generating a huge email list that is going to be super profitable. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so one common misconception is that simply collecting email addresses guarantees success. However, effective list growth requires a deeper understanding of your audience and their needs. It's not just about quantity but also about quality and engagement. Recognizing the full picture is essential, as it encompasses not only the technical aspects of list building but also the strategic approaches that foster genuine connections with subscribers. By grasping these nuances, you can create a more responsive and engaged email list. Throughout this video, we will explore detailed strategies that can help you overcome these challenges, ensuring that your email marketing efforts are not only effective but also sustainable. Join us as we unpack these insights and equip you with the tools necessary for successful email list growth. Many popular online resources offer advice on email list building, but they often fall short by providing incomplete information. Experts frequently emphasize tactics like lead magnets or pop-up forms without addressing the importance of nurturing relationships with subscribers. This can lead to frustration for those who diligently follow these strategies, only to find their lists stagnant or unresponsive. The focus tends to be on quick wins rather than sustainable growth, leaving many feeling disillusioned with the process. It's crucial to recognize that effective email list building requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses not just acquisition but also engagement and retention. By understanding the broader context and integrating various strategies, you can create a more robust and responsive email list. In this video, we will discuss how to move beyond the common pitfalls and adopt a holistic strategy that truly fosters meaningful connections with your audience, ensuring long-term success in your email marketing efforts. Freebies play a significant role in attracting subscribers to your email list, as they can significantly increase conversion rates. Offering valuable resources, such as ebooks, checklists, or exclusive content, entices potential subscribers by providing immediate value in exchange for their email addresses. However, it's essential to clarify that freebies alone are not sufficient for successful list building. While they can draw people in, without a solid strategy for engagement and follow-up, those subscribers may quickly lose interest. To maximize the effectiveness of your freebies, it's crucial to combine them with effective traffic strategies that drive targeted visitors to your offers. This means leveraging social media, SEO, and paid advertising to reach the right audience who will appreciate and engage with your freebies. In this video, we will explore how to create compelling freebies and integrate them with robust traffic strategies to build a thriving email list that fosters lasting relationships with subscribers. Traffic plays a critical role in building an email list, much like the explosive reaction between Coke and Mentos. Just as the Mentos need to be introduced to the Coke to create a reaction, your freebies require an audience to generate interest and conversions. Many people mistakenly believe that simply creating a freebie is enough to attract subscribers, but without a targeted audience, those efforts can fall flat. This misconception can lead to disappointment when the expected results don't materialize. To truly succeed in list building, it's essential to have a well-defined strategy for driving traffic to your opt-in page. This involves utilizing various channels such as social media, content marketing, and paid ads to reach potential subscribers effectively. In this video, we will discuss how to create a comprehensive traffic strategy that complements your freebies, ensuring that you not only attract visitors but also convert them into engaged subscribers for your email list. Using personal social media accounts to promote freebies can have significant limitations. While friends and family may support your efforts, they often do not represent your ideal clients, which can lead to a mismatch in engagement and interest. This disconnect can hinder your ability to build a genuinely responsive email list. Additionally, if you have a small social media following, the conversion rates from these platforms can be disappointingly low. Relying solely on personal networks may not yield the desired results, as the audience may not be genuinely interested in your offerings. To overcome these challenges, it's essential to seek alternative methods for reaching your target audience. This could involve leveraging professional social media platforms, engaging in niche communities, or utilizing paid advertising to connect with individuals who are more likely to appreciate your freebies. In this video, we will explore effective strategies to expand your reach and attract the right subscribers to your email list. While using ads for list building can be tempting, especially for beginners, it's important to critique this approach carefully. Ads can be effective in specific situations, such as when targeting a well-defined audience or promoting a high-value freebie that resonates with potential subscribers. However, running ads without a sufficient budget or experience can lead to significant risks, including wasted resources and disappointing results. Many beginners may not fully understand how to optimize ad campaigns, which can result in low conversion rates and frustration. Instead of diving into paid advertising, it's often more beneficial for newcomers to focus on organic traffic strategies. Building a solid foundation through content marketing, social media engagement, and networking can yield sustainable results without the financial strain of ads. We will discuss effective organic strategies that can help you grow your email list steadily and confidently, setting you up for long-term success in your marketing efforts. Content creation is a key strategy for generating traffic to your site, as valuable content naturally attracts interested visitors. When you produce high-quality articles, videos, or infographics that address your audience's needs and interests, you position yourself as a trusted resource, encouraging more people to visit and engage with your site. One of the significant long-term benefits of creating searchable content is that it can continue to drive traffic over time, as evergreen topics remain relevant and can be discovered through search engines long after publication. This contrasts sharply with short-lived social media posts, which often have a fleeting impact and quickly fade from visibility. By prioritizing content creation, you invest in a sustainable approach that builds your authority and attracts a steady stream of visitors. We will explore effective content creation strategies that can enhance your online presence and ultimately contribute to the growth of your email list. Integrating content creation with email list building is essential for maximizing your marketing efforts. When you produce valuable content, it not only attracts traffic to your site but also leads to more opt-ins, as visitors are more likely to subscribe in exchange for additional resources or exclusive insights. However, simply gaining subscribers is not enough. Nurturing relationships with these subscribers is equally important. By consistently delivering valuable content through your emails, you can engage your audience, build trust, and encourage loyalty over time. This relationship fosters a community that is more likely to respond positively to your offers. Therefore, adopting a holistic approach to marketing that combines both content creation and email list building is crucial. We will discuss strategies for seamlessly integrating these two elements, ensuring that your content not only drives traffic but also effectively converts visitors into engaged subscribers, ultimately leading to greater success in your marketing endeavors. A well-built email list can open up remarkable financial opportunities, as evidenced by the success story of a digital entrepreneur who generated significant revenue from a single product launch. By nurturing a targeted email list of engaged subscribers, they were able to promote an online course that resonated with their audience, resulting in thousands of dollars in sales within just a few days. This success illustrates the immense potential that a dedicated email list holds for anyone looking to monetize their expertise or offerings. I encourage you to envision the possibilities for your own email list. Imagine the impact of sharing your knowledge or products with a receptive audience eager to learn from you. However, realizing this potential requires taking actionable steps toward building your list. We will explore practical strategies to help you grow your email list effectively, paving the way for your own financial success and opportunities in the digital marketplace. In this video, we've highlighted the importance of understanding the full picture of email list building, emphasizing that it goes beyond simply collecting email addresses. We discussed the critical role of traffic, the value of content creation, and the need to nurture relationships with subscribers to foster engagement and loyalty. By integrating these strategies, you can create a robust email list that not only attracts interested visitors but also converts them into loyal customers. If you found this information valuable, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us reach a wider audience and continue providing valuable content. Additionally, feel free to explore our related videos for further learning on effective marketing strategies and email list growth. Together, we can unlock the full potential of your email marketing efforts and set you on the path to success.